In this video, I will show you how to find and install all media apps on your PS5. Now usually once you launch your PS5, you're taken to this page where all of your apps are actually located. And for you to find and install media apps on your PS5, what you want to do is to just scroll over to the top where you have games and then just scroll over to the right hand side until you get to media. Now go ahead and select it just like so. And from here, you also want to move over to the right hand side, and as you can see over here, I do not have any media app on my PlayStation 5. Now to find and install all of the media apps, you want to scroll down to where you have go to all apps, go ahead and select that option, and over here you're going to see all of the apps on your PS5. Now you can see we have the Shopify app, we have Apple Music, we have Apple TV and other media apps that are available for me to install into my PS5. Now obviously these are not the only app that are available. Depending on your country, you might also get more media apps available for you to install into your PS5. Now to install any of these apps, for instance the YouTube app, you want to go ahead and select it just like so, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the download button over here. Now make sure that your PS5 is actually connected to the internet, and once the app is done installing, you can go ahead and just click on the start button, and now I have YouTube playing directly from my PS5. Now finally, if you come over to the home of your PS5 now and then just go over to the media section, you can literally see that I now have YouTube as one of the apps on the media section of my PS5. So you can go ahead and still download more media apps from the discover section over here. You just want to scroll over to where you have all apps just at the right hand side over here, and you should also be taken to the media apps store where you can now download even more apps into your PS5. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.